I want to show you something clever that another owner I know who owns a cottage in the area close to the marsh that sees some periodic flooding. He used a product called coosa board, and I'll leave a link to this in the description down below. Where the coosa board needs to seal against the house, he used a styrofoam string that you can see sticking up here from the coosa board. The coosa board material was developed for the marine industry and is waterproof. It could be perfect for an application like this. What do you think?